Both my husband and I still have our corporate America jobs. I'm hesitant to jump out of that because it's a stable job, and I know a lot of people have that fear. We're just not somebody who can just make that jump, that those jobs right now are giving us that financial stability while we build this business. The first 6 months, we were always cleaning tables and chairs, trying to get stuff out. It's just the two of us operating it. I was talking and just saying, man, next year we're going to have to try to get some people to help us clean. This is nonsense, right? I can't be doing this all my lunch breaks, after work, all that stuff. It dawned on me that I said that. And I looked over at my husband and he was kind of smirking. And we were both like, okay, we're doing this. We're pushing, we're moving through. It dawned on us we were having fun building this and watching where it was going. And our community's responding because it's a need that's in our community that we're filling. And so we just were kind of like, man, this is hard work and we can't be super hasty about quitting our jobs, but let's go. Let's keep going. Where is this going to go? Like, how far
Yeah.
can we take this? It dawned on us that it was like, this is actually happening. Like,
Yeah.
this is moving along.